my name is Erin Kelly. I'm from the USA province. I live in the Midwest of the country in Chicago. I think the reality of our world today can be a bit overwhelming right now. A feeling of being cold and a bit frightening. Um, Many people have lots of fears and anxiety. So I think the opportunity for the Marist mission in the reality of our world today is really a great opportunity, particularly for people who have turned away from the church. We have the opportunity to be the face of Mary, to welcome people back into the church through her tender mercy. I also think that the pillar of family spirit can be so welcoming and inviting, and an opportunity for us to collectively come together and to live in the mission together as Marists of Champagnat, both lay and brothers, so that we can be co-responsible for the mission of making Jesus known and loved, as well as defining and exploring new ways for a shared life experience.